What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. Here to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Kucoin. So I'm going to show you guys how to deposit your funds to start trading on Kucoin. So Kucoin is a trading platform which allows you to trade between cryptocurrencies because you're not allowed to deposit fiat directly to Kucoin. All right, they don't have that function set up yet. So the easiest way I find is to get some Bitcoin and or Ethereum from Coinbase and then transfer it over to Kucoin to trade for the cryptos I want. On Kucoin, they have 5 different trading pairs: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, USDT, which is Tether, and Kucoin shares, which is Kucoin's own cryptocurrency, all right, their own exchange coin. To get started, basically use the link in the description below, sign up for Kucoin, and also using the link in the description as well, sign up for Coinbase. Once you fund your Coinbase account with either Bitcoin or Ethereum, you will then go to Coinbase Pro. Google it, or there should be a link on Coinbase, and just go to Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro is Coinbase's their trading platform, and what you'll do is deposit your in this case we'll just say Bitcoin. You'll deposit your Bitcoin, so you'll click deposit, right? Once you're logged into, I'm sorry, I should take a step back. Once you're logged in to Coinbase, you'll automatically be logged into Coinbase Pro, or you could just use it's the same credentials as Coinbase. All right, same email and everything that you had set up from before. You'll go to deposit funds, or click deposit here. Let me start back. Take a quick, hit deposit. You'll go to deposit funds. Choose the fund you want. In this case, we'll choose Bitcoin, and you'll deposit directly from your Coinbase account. If you're wondering why don't you just send it straight from the Coinbase app to Kucoin, it's because Coinbase takes a huge chunk of that Bitcoin as fee for transferring it out. Using the Coinbase Pro, it won't cost you anything. Once you deposit the funds, you hit deposit BTC, your Bitcoin will automatically transfer from your Coinbase account to this Coinbase Pro account. Then you'll just hit withdraw, and you could go here, withdraw Bitcoin. So then you'll see this box, the destination address. So you'll go back to Kucoin, right, and you'll click on assets, deposit, and deposit BTC. In this case, it's BTC. This is the Bitcoin wallet address you want to send your Bitcoin to. You double click it, copy it, and just come back over here, paste it, and you want to double check to make sure it's the correct address. All right, so you just go back, double check. All right, it's the same address. Boom. You hit the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. In my case, this is my third time trying to make this video, so the Bitcoin is already there. I hit the max amount, hit withdraw, and boom, your Bitcoin will appear in your Bitcoin wallet on Kucoin. So one of the reasons why I like Kucoin so much is the user interface is clean. It's real simple to use. They have contests on Kucoin, giving away free Bitcoin whenever they list certain coins. Like this one was a Twitter promotion. I say go ahead and give them a follow on Twitter, because you could just retweet one of your tweets and get free Bitcoin. Not a whole Bitcoin, but you get some. Like earlier I got like $1 and Bitcoiner. So don't forget to follow them on Twitter. Give me a follow as well. The link is in the description, at Sergeant Crypto 99 on Twitter. There it is. And this is my Twitter account here once it loads. All right, there it is, at Sergeant Crypto 99. So that's my Twitter account there. I will make another video on how to do a simple trade using Kucoin once you have sent your Bitcoin over and all that stuff. Don't forget to smash that like. Thank you for all the support. everyone that's been subscribing to the channel. Use the links in the description below for Coinbase and for Kucoin to sign up and get these accounts. I will make another video, like I said. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. It's been your boy, Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.